Which of the following is not a function of an operating system? A. Memory management. B. Process management. C. Input-output management. D. File management. E. Security. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer: E. Security. Explanation: security is not a function of an operating system. It is a function of a security software, such as an antivirus program. Which of the following is not a type of process? A. User process. B. System process. C. Background process. D. Device process. E. Kernel process. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer: D. Device process. Explanation: device processes are not processes. They are kernel threads that are used to control devices. Which of the following is not a scheduling algorithm? A. First come, first served. B. Shortest job first. C. Round robin. D. Priority scheduling. E. Device scheduling. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer: E. Device scheduling. Explanation: device scheduling is not a scheduling algorithm. It is a technique used to manage access to devices. Which of the following is not a memory management technique? A. Allocation. B. Deallocation. C. Protection. D. Sharing. E. Fragmentation. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer: E. Fragmentation. Explanation: fragmentation is not a memory management technique. It is a problem that can occur in memory management. Which of the following is not a device driver? A. Keyboard driver. B. Mouse driver. C. Monitor driver. D. Printer driver. E. File driver. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer: E. File driver. Explanation: file drivers are not device drivers. They are software components that interact with the file system. Which of the following is not a type of file? A. Regular file. B. Directory. C. Device file. D. Symbolic link. E. Process file. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer: E. Process file. Explanation: process files are not files. They are kernel data structures that represent processes. 7. Which of the following is not a file system? A. FAT. B. NTFS. C. ext4. D. ZFS. E. Windows file system. Your time starts now. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Answer: E. Windows file system. Explanation: there is no such thing as a Windows file system. Windows uses the NTFS file system. Which of the following is not a networking protocol? A. TCP/IP. B. UDP. C. HTTP. D. FTP. E. Windows networking protocol. Your time starts now. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Answer: E. Windows networking protocol. Explanation: there is no such thing as a Windows networking protocol. Windows uses the TCP/IP networking protocol. Which of the following is not a network service? A. File sharing. B. Printing. C. Web browsing. D. Email. E. Windows network service. Your time starts now. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Answer: E. Windows network service. Explanation: there is no such thing as a Windows network service. Windows uses the TCP/IP networking protocol to provide file sharing, printing, web browsing, and email services. Which of the following is not a type of operating system? A. Single-tasking operating system. B. Multitasking operating system. C. Real-time operating system. D. Distributed operating system. E. Windows operating system. Your time starts now. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Answer: E. Windows operating system. Explanation: Windows is a multitasking operating system. It is not a single-tasking, real-time, or distributed operating system.